In WordPress, adding a custom menu is a great way to organize your website's navigation. So to get started, go to the Appearance menu and select Menus. And then we are now redirected to the Menus page, wherein we can now create our first menu. So for example, the name of our menu is Main Menu, after which we click the Create Menu button. And then we can now add pages, posts, categories, or custom links to our menu. If we want to add a page to our menu, click on the Pages tab and then select the page that you would like to add to your menu. For example, let's click on this sample page and then just click Add to Menu. If you want to add a post to your menu, click on the Post tab and then select or choose a post that you like. For example, the power of WordPress. Click on the checkbox here and then Add to Menu. If you want to add a custom link, just click on the tab and then put the link here. And then just add a link text and then click Add to Menu. And also, if you want to add a category to your menu, just click on the tab and then select the category that you like. For example, WordPress blogs, just click on the checkbox and then Add to Menu. Now we can rearrange the order of our menu items by dragging and dropping them in the menu structure box. So we could just drag this here. For example, you want the WordPress blogs to appear first in the menu item, then you would just drag this on top. And then finally, choose a location for your menu in the menu settings. So go here and then click Header because we want to display this menu on the header, and then Save Menu. And that's it. Your custom menu is now live on your website. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to add a custom menu in WordPress. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.